Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off automatic install iOS updates in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software updates and then click on automatic updates. So now here you will see a iOS updates button. So if you want to turn off automatic install iOS updates, then turn off this button, and if you want to turn on automatic install iOS updates, then turn on this button. So to turn on or turn off this button, first of all you have to turn on this iOS updates button. So if you turn off this button, it will automatically turn off. So first of all, turn on this button and then turn on the iOS updates button in automatically install section. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.